What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I want to talk to you about today is a company called Sweet Smokie Joe. They sent me out a lineup of seasonings to try, and I'm telling you, this stuff is incredible. You can check them out at sweetsmokiejoe.com. Anyway, so they send out this seasoning to me, and I will be having a giveaway on some of this, maybe in a week or two. I just want to figure out how I want this giveaway to be, but I'm telling you, as soon as I got this, the first thing I did was start tasting them. And there's one of these called Creole Kick, which is this one that I've used in a fried chicken recipe that's going to be either out before this video or right after this. And this stuff is some good stuff. Anyway, like I said, the first thing I did was taste it. You know, some of the products that they have is called Honey Chipotle is one. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a taste and try to tell you what the flavor profile is, because it's been a few days since I've tried these. You know, basically this is what it says it is. Got some spice. It's got like a honey and the chipotle flavor to it. This would be great on chicken. And I could even see this being used on like a fish as well. And before I move on, like I said, I will be having a giveaway. But I don't want that to stop anybody from buying any of these products. So if you happen to win my giveaway, I'll reimburse you the money for your product. And if you happen to buy some of these products and don't like them, I personally, this is how much I stand behind these seasonings, I will reimburse you your money and the shipping to send it back to me, because if you don't like it, I want it. Anyway, let's keep going. So that was the Creole, or the Honey Chipotle. This stuff is excellent. I plan on using this on a chicken recipe I have coming up in a collaboration with Josie over at The Road to Good Cooking. Anyway, another thing they have is just a fish and seafood seasoning. Nothing near like what you would taste like in a Old Bay seasoning or anything like that. Old Bay is great, but this kind of has a little bit more of a herb flavor to it. This stuff is excellent. We have something called Fo-Yo chicken, and I'm not sure if you can check out that labeling, but the labeling alone is awesome. So Fo-Yo chicken. Now, as of today, when I looked at the website, these things were on sale, I think for like $5 or something like that, which is a tremendous value. They also sell this in bulk. So the Fo-Yo chicken, very kind of a herby flavor to it. And one thing about these is they are low sodium. They're not no sodium, but they're low sodium. This will be excellent on chicken. You also got the fish and seafood, and this is the one with lemon. Now, I've tried this before, obviously. The lemon flavor in this is just bursting out of this. I mean, it's not overpowering, but it doesn't have like, if you've tried some, like lemon peppers or things like that, it almost has like an artificial lemon flavor to it. This stuff is awesome. The Creole Kick, like I said, I just used this in a fried chicken recipe. This here, definitely. Man, I'm not sure what that herb is that they put in Cajun, what that primary ingredient is, but whatever that is, they have in a lot of Creole recipes, this has that. You also have Fo-Yo chicken with lemon, same thing as the fish. Obviously the flavor profile is different, but it still has that bursting flavor of lemon that comes through on it. I could almost see this on a fish as well. So, if you were going to buy these in a combination, that's great. But if you just wanted to buy, like one of these, I think you could interchange some of the fish and chicken, and they would work well. Last product is a beef and seafood rub. Now, this wouldn't be like a beef rub that I would put on like a brisket. Let me taste this again. Yeah, this would almost be leaning a little bit more towards like a Hispanic type of a thing. I'm picking up some cumin in here. I haven't read the ingredients on it, but this does kind of have there are ingredients. I can't read them with the light coming by me, but kind of a cumin kind of flavor. So you know I rock with some of that Mexican food. So this would go good on like I could see this on a tri-tip, and then you know slice it up for like tacos or a burrito or something like that. Also sent something. This is the only thing I haven't tasted. This is called Mud Bug Love, and basically it's a seafood, crawfish, shrimp boil, something like that. Comes in a bag like this. Anyway, I'm telling you, these spices are incredible. And like I said, if you buy this stuff, and I'm putting my money behind, or my mouth behind their product. If you buy this stuff and you don't like it, all you have to do is contact me. I will email, or I will pay for your shipping to send all the stuff back to me to reimburse you for your funds. Anyway, I'm thinking about doing the giveaway. The giveaway is probably going to be, I'm probably going to do about 4 winners in this giveaway I have coming up. The company is going to provide some of the giveaway, and then I'm going to buy the rest of it. That's how much I like these products. Anyway, give these things a shot. Run by SweetSmokieJoe.com. I'm telling you, don't be afraid that you need to wait around to see if you win, because if you win, I'll either send you out something to replace this, or I'll just send you the money. So give these guys a shot, I'm telling you. They also, if you look on their site, they have some barbecue sauce, a few different kinds of barbecue sauce. They have sweet cypress bayou barbecue sauce, kind of a Cajun style barbecue sauce, and then something a little bit more traditional. What I would find myself buying, once I have all these containers, I would probably be buying this stuff in bulk and saving a little bit more money. Anyway, I wanted to throw that out there to you guys at Sweet Smokie Joe. I do appreciate you sending this out to me. It's definitely going to get put to some good use. I think that's all I got to say about now. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.